We're going to start with the COVID-19 situation here in South Korea. The country has seen a big drop in the number of new cases, partly due to the weekend effect when fewer people get tested, but also because infections are generally dropping overall.
And beginning today, South Korea will begin newly introduced relaxed social distancing measures for the next 2 weeks. For more on this, our reporter Choi Min-jung is here in the studio with us. Good morning, Min-jung.
Good morning.
So give us the latest on the COVID-19 situation.
Well, Mok-yeon, we're forecast to see around 130,000 new cases today. From midnight to 9 p.m. Sunday, South Korea saw close to 128,000 cases. The number of infections dropped a whopping 104,000 cases from the same time the previous day, partly because we tend to see fewer cases on Mondays with fewer tests over the weekend. But we are still seeing a drop in the overall trend as compared to last week. There were 56,000 fewer cases. We're also seeing a drop in the 7-day daily average, that figure dropping into the 200,000s for the first time in 3 weeks.
Okay, that's good news. And revised social distancing measures have taken effect from today. Just remind us exactly what they are.
Right, Mark. Relaxed social distancing measures will be in place starting today for 2 weeks. Social gatherings will be allowed up to 10 people, regardless of vaccination status. And businesses can open until midnight. And these include restaurants, cafes, singing rooms, public baths, as well as clubs and bars. Movies and shows at theaters and concert halls may begin any time before midnight, but performances must end before 2 a.m. Meanwhile, restrictions for large events remain the same with a cap of 299 people, regardless of vaccination status. Events with over 300 spectators can be held if there is approval from relevant authorities. And rules remain the same for religious facilities as well, with a 70% capacity limit on all activities and events.
Now, Min-jung, authorities have said that they will consider lifting much of the restrictions, including the wearing of face masks outdoors, if the situation is stable for the next 2 weeks. How are people reacting to this?
Well, there has been both hope and concern, with some saying it's too early and unsafe to be not wearing masks outdoors, while others say the time has come for people to be outside without masks. Other countries that have passed the Omicron peak, like the US and the UK, have already lifted outdoor mask mandates, allowing people to make their own decisions. Some health experts in Korea are also saying that the country may now remove the mandate, given the relatively low transmission rate outdoors. Kim-yoon, a professor of medicine at Seoul National University, says the risk of being infected outdoors is about a 20th compared to the risk indoors. He added that it is difficult to get infected unless you are talking closely with an infected person. So what he recommends is allowing people to make the decision for themselves when outdoors, but he strongly advises mask wearing in crowded areas, especially for older people and those in the high-risk category. Another expert, Kim Tak, professor at Soonchunhyang University, was also on board. Kim said there is no significant effect from wearing masks outside and it has relatively little impact on the virus spreading. However, experts do point out that a mask-wearing mandate for indoors should remain for now.
Okay, well, I'm sure a lot of people would be glad to see the back of the outdoor face mask mandate, especially with the summer coming up. It's very humid here in South Korea, of course. However, that could potentially change should a new variant emerge.
That's right, Mark. Experts are saying that lifting outdoor mask mandates should be reconsidered if there is a new variant. And authorities are currently closely watching a new hybrid variant called the XE variant. According to the WHO, the new COVID-19 variant has been found in the UK. And the XE variant is a hybrid version of the Omicron and stealth Omicron strain. And the health body says the mutated variant appears to be 10% more transmissible than the highly contagious stealth Omicron. XE was first detected in the UK in mid-January, and around 600 cases have been reported since then. Taiwan and Thailand also reported their first cases of the new variant, and Israel has also reported suspected cases of XE. No cases were reported in South Korea as of now. We are expecting further updates as the WHO and global health experts closely assess the health risks associated with the variant.
All right, Min-jung, thank you so much for your report. Did a great job.
Thank you.